Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are from Group 404 with the project name is SafeRide.id, whose member are me, Mufassirin Haklenti as UI/UX design, Muhammad Afif Alfawas as a group leader, Ahmad Gulam Zaki as a programmer, and Amalia Hanif as technical control and documentation, and the last is Einstein as a tester and quality control. As we know, awareness of driving safety, especially when driving a motorized vehicle, is very minimal, causing a very high accident rate. There is one thing that there is the main problem of the high accident rate, namely riding a motorcycle without using a helm. So we can see a lot of news circulating about motorcycle accident, especially among Polybatam students themselves. Therefore, we are here to help the community in making a system that can be useful to make motorcyclists aware of the importance of driving safety by using helm.
We would like to introduce a solution that we have developed to address the high number of traffic accidents, especially among students in Polybata who do not wear helmet when riding. Our solution is a Safe Ride ID. This is system specifically designed to detect motorcycle who do not wear helmet. This system is built by combination IoT technology and AI. Therefore, we develop a smart system that can be detect this violation automatically. The camera reads the license plate. AI detect whether the riders is wearing helmet or no, and the system immediately send a notification to officer. Data is neatly recorded on the dashboard, ready to follow up. With this supervision become more efficient, the law can be enforced faster, and most importantly, safety can better maintained. We have a flowchart, and the next week is flowchart.
To realize this feature and benefit we mentioned earlier, we designed a system workflow illustrated in the following flowchart. The flowchart describes how the system works. YOLO perform real-time detection through a camera connected to the Raspberry Pi. If a motorcycle without helmet is detected, the camera capture an image and temporarily store it to Raspberry Pi. The image then uploaded to a server. Once the upload is successful, the server sends a command to the Raspberry Pi to delete the image for safe storage. The image stored on the server will be displayed on website for monitoring and further action. Next, to implement the system, the following components are required. Raspberry Pi 4 as a mini PC, sensor peer to detect motorcycle movement, camera to capture an image, heatsink as a Raspberry Pi 4 cooler, RTC to add date and time information to the image, 5-volt power supply as the main power supply, micro SD for temporary storage. Next.
Okay, next we move to specification and operation of the device. Our device is using webcam Avortex PK910H and Raspberry Pi 4 Model B with 4 GB RAM, and the image will analyze using Euro version 5 model detection, and once detected, the image and the data will be sent to server using API, and the server we using OS. The operational system is Ubuntu and RAM is 1 GB RAM. Next, the data will be saved to MySQL database and then will be displayed on Node.js Express.js dashboard monitoring with API, and the website we're using Bootstrap 5 and jQuery to making this website. Next, this is a progress implementation. We're using RoboFlow platform to making dataset and training model AI. As you can see, this is our training graph. That means our model AI has achieved 90% accurately based on training metric. And then next, this is the circuit configuration and other component. You can see this webcam and Raspberry Pi and other component to making completely successfully detected riders without helmet. Next.
Okay, the next steps we will take a building a prototype connecting the device to a server, implementing AI and web feature, and conducting file testing. Next, the slide shows the contribution of each course to our project. Calculus help analyze and mention of project. AI detect helmetless riders and recognize license plates. Software security add two-factor and layered authentication. Software maintenance ensure perform and updates. And general English support technical communication and presentation. Next. And this is our documentation while working on this project.
Okay, this is our presentation regarding the number plate recognition detection system for helmetless motorist detection with the project title SafeRide.id. Hopefully, this innovation is useful and can improve driving safety. We realize that this project still has room for development, and we are very open to constructive input and suggestions. So, thank you for your information. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.